How you doing? Some days things just don't go right. You know what I mean? For example, last Saturday, I had a customer call on Friday. They wanted to get, well, actually, we communicated on Facebook, and they wanted to get the screen on their phone fixed. So I asked for the model number, which for Apple products is A followed by 4 numbers. And so that person gave me that information. I ordered a screen and said, hey, I'll get the phone from you Saturday morning and I'll get it back to you Saturday evening, because they said they absolutely could not do without their phone more than a day. And so the part arrived on time. So I called this person, went and got the phone, brought it back home, then had to go thaw out the pipes under the house because they froze, because it was very, very cold on Saturday morning and the power went out. And so that's, I spent about 3 hours doing that, came back in and decided to jump on that phone and got it apart, which is not hard to do. And then went to start putting it back together, and it's like there's a connector missing off of this new part. What's going on? Well, long story short, it turns out that the seller had mislabeled his screen, and it was actually a 6 Plus screen, not a 6S Plus screen. And so the home button connector on a 6 Plus is in the little metal back plate that you can take off. That provides provides a little bit extra stiffness for the screen. It also locks the screen into the chassis, or into the midframe. On a 6S, that part is integrated into the LCD, and so you can't flip them around. There's no way you can take one out of the old one, which is, I'm really glad I didn't, because here I was at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I had a part that didn't fit. So I messaged that person and had to tell them what was going on. So that's always really embarrassing. When something like that happens. I mean, you're doing your due diligence, to get the right part, and then the description of the part clearly said that it was compatible with the part number that the customer gave me, and so that's what you go by. You can't go by anything else. I generally don't go by photos if it's a new part. I generally go by what the description says, but some people are just not as conscientious as they should be when they're doing their listings. And so I'm sending that screen back. Fortunately, I had paid to have it shipped overnight, and I'm getting that money back too. So that's good. And so, so I had to order another part. And so I'm supposed to be getting that phone back at some point here soon. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, because I've got the new part and it's ready to go. So we'll just see how that goes. But it's just, it's one of those things that's annoying. It makes you look bad. I hate looking bad if I haven't done anything wrong. That's the part that irritates me. If I do something wrong, okay, then that's just the way it is, right? Anyway, if you have any questions or comments, please do so in the section below. Like and subscribe. We appreciate when you do, and good luck in your repair endeavors.